All right, rule number two, use the right brokerage firm. I this is another one that kind of relates to the long-term perspective that from lesson one. It's the time value of money, and that's for a brokerage firm, having you make a trade costs them nothing. It costs them cents actually. So why pay more for a service that you don't really need? And when you go with the big boys, the E Trades, the Scott Trades, Share Builders, they charge almost $8-9 a trade, and just to get into a stock, you're already $5 down there. And over the course of a year, that could easily add up to a couple $100. And when it comes to the time value of money, is that extra $500 that you spent on transaction fees that one year, that could technically have bought you a new position in a different company that's paying you dividends and that's going to compound over the next 20 years. So now take $500 a year over 20 years with the transaction fees and the dividends that are lost by not being able to invest that money. That's an outrageous amount of money. It's truly absurd. I think having your transaction costs drop from 0.9% to 0.25% of a trade, it literally equates to almost like $100,000 over the course of the next 30 years. That is an outrageous amount of money, and it's the time value of money, right? So if there's one thing you can do right off the bat, it's sign up for a discount brokerage firm. Do not sign up for the big boys. They are overcharging you since they have a lot of overhead. They have employees, they have offices, like brick and mortar offices on your street corner, and that all costs them money. They have to charge more so that they can afford all that. But these pure online brokerage firms, Options House, Trade King, Motif Investing, all of these discount brokerages, they're purely online. They don't need to charge you as much since they're able to reduce a lot of their overhead costs for their business. So the one I recommend, the one I use in all my videos, the one I use for my own account, it's called Options House. When you sign up, they guarantee your trade price for life. So when I signed up, it was $4.95, which is still the current price today, and that is guaranteed for life. A few of my friends actually signed up when it was $4.25. Even though Options House increased their price, they are still only paying $4.25 per trade, which is awesome. That's almost 50% every time 50% less than if you're at a full brokerage firm like E-Trade or Scottrade. So if you want to check them out, if you want to sign up, go to www.readysetgoblock.com/optionshouse. The link is on the screen. You get 150 bucks when you sign up. That almost pays for a years worth of transaction costs right there. So, definitely check them out. Highly recommend them. That's actually the virtual trading platform that I started on as well. So, when first starting out, make sure you pick the right brokerage firm. Even if Options House isn't the one for you, do not do not end up overpaying for something that you do not need to. All that money will add up over the years, and that compounding effect and the money lost from it, it can truly equate to something much greater down the road. So keep an eye out for that, guys.